Hey guys, here we are at the 2024 MITRE Evaluations website, and I want to teach you today how you can compare vendors when it comes to protection. So first of all, we need to change the scenario to look at the protections part. Then we can choose which vendors we want to compare. So let's take Signet and compare it with Trend Micro and Sentinel One. And for the protection scenario, there weren't any configuration changes that vendors could do. Then you can quickly see how the purple rectangular, which stands for block of malicious activity, you can immediately see that Signet prevented all 10 tests from executing. So essentially no malicious activity took place. And with Trend Micro, as an example, they had test number 1 being carried out without any prevention, as well as test 5, test 6. So that basically means that they only stopped 7 out of the 10. If you look at scenario 1, then you see that they stopped scenario test 1 and 2, but it didn't block test 3, 4, 5, 6. They blocked 7 at the second attempt, and they didn't block step number 9. So this is basically how you can go into MITRE's website, select the specific scenario that you want to see, and the vendors that you want to compare with.